Take 13.
I'm sleepy.
C3. Hi, Chef Kim.
Hey.
So, Chef Kim, hi.
Hi.
Chef Kim, what was your favorite cartoon as a kid?
Animaniacs.
Who's your favorite singer?
Luther Vandross.
What's your favorite flavor of cake?
Ooh, chocolate.
Chocolate, oof, devil. Anyway, so, Chef Kim, what is Who's Caking?
Who's Caking is a YouTube channel.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Kimmy Who, and this is Who's Caking. I don't know what we're saying after that. I have no idea what we're saying.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Hi, Chef Kim.
Hi.
So, Chef Kim, what would you say your YouTube channel is about?
Who's Caking is a YouTube channel dedicated to inspiring the next generation of sweet makers.
Will there be tutorials on this channel?
Yes, we will be teaching kids how to make cakes, cupcakes, and cookies.
Great, and would there be other teaching opportunities outside of the channel?
Absolutely. You can actually catch me at the Ultimate Sugar Show coming up this November.
When will you be uploading?
We will load every single Friday at 11 a.m.
Woo! I don't know why I did that. Where can people find you on social media?
You can follow me at Chef Kimmy Who on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to eat well, laugh often, and love much.
Whoa! Chef Kim, where can people find you on social media?
You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Chef Kimmy Who.
Great! So, Chef Kim, what do you think people should do right now? I don't like that. Hi, Chef Kim.
Hey.
What's your favorite movie, Chef Kim?
Coming to America.
Coming to America. Who's your favorite singer, Chef Kim?
Luther Vandross.
Wow. So, what is Who's Caking?
Who's Caking is a YouTube channel dedicated to the next generation of sweet makers.
Sweet makers, that's awesome. So, would you say Master Chef would be a place where you would find more kids to? I don't know what's wrong with that. So, would you have tutorials on Who's Caking?
Of course, we're gonna have tutorials.
What kind of tutorials? Of course, you're. What? Help. Should make sure to.
Like, share, and subscribe.
And with Chef Kimmy Who, you learn how to.
I don't remember.